Hello friends, it's Teddy. Today, we'll be drawing Miguel O'Hara, also known as Spider-Man 2099. Let's get started. Begin by drawing his right eye. Start with a straight line, then add a diagonal line at the end. Extend another straight line and now draw a V shape on the other end. Follow this with an S-like shape and finally extend a reverse L-like shape. Repeat these steps to draw his other eye. Now, let's move on to his face. Draw an oval shape starting from below the eyes, going all the way around. For his body, sketch two S-like shapes to create his torso. Starting from one end of the face, draw his right arm. Then, make 4 curves to form his left hand. After this, extend 2 curved lines, one from above and one from below, joining at his face to complete his left arm. Draw his left leg using a big curve. From there, extend a diagonal line and create 2 curved lines for his right leg. At the bottom, draw his right foot and attach those lines to complete his right leg. Now, draw a curved U-like shape for his right hand. Don't forget to add a C-curve for his left foot. Finally, draw the spider pattern inside his body to complete the look of his costume. And there you have it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back soon with more drawings. Happy drawing!